Hello, this is Jonathan with Fishing Spider. We're here to bring you content about security-conscious Rust programming. So if you're interested in that, be sure to smash the subscribe button and like this video. We're starting off with something that's pretty basic, but an important first step in anyone's programming journey, and that is the Hello World program. So to start things off, we've got our code editor here. I happen to be using VS Code, but there are other options out there as well to suit a variety of needs. So with this, I'm going to be using the Cargo Package Manager. It makes things super easy. I actually don't even have to write a single line of code in order for us to get our Hello World program. I'm going to just type cargo, because cargo is the package manager we're using, and then the subcommand new, and by default it'll create a binary application, but if I want to be explicit I can do --bin, and then I'm going to give a name to this project, and for this I'm going to name it hello_world. Alright, and it looks like it has created the binary application Hello World. And so with this, I'm going to cd or change directory into this new project. There we go. So now our terminal is inside of the hello_world directory. And if we look here, we see we have a few different things. We have our cargo.toml file, which shows us information about the program. This is basically metadata, including stuff about the package. And if we were to declare any dependencies, we would declare them here. That'll be something that we might go over in a future video about how to manage dependencies and keep your security systems in place when you have dependencies. We also have gitignore, which we don't need to go too in depth into right now. And in the source directory, we have the source code. And we have our main.rs file. This is the entry point for the application, where we have our main function. This main function is going to get called automatically with the program when we execute it. And we have our print line statement here, where it says hello world. And so again, I did not type any of this out. This was all generated automatically by Cargo, just as the default for its binary programs. And so in order to run this program, we will type cargo run and press enter. And here it has printed out hello world. And of course we can play around with this. So we're going to say hello fishing spider. And there we go. We see the change is happening here as well. So it works. And I just want to give a quick shout out before we go to John Sonmez. We had a conversation last night which really helped to inspire me to make this first post here on this channel. So thank you for that inspiration, John. And thank you for listening and watching to this video. I hope you have a fantastic day.